Good morning. If you're new to this channel, my name is Taylor, and today we're gonna be doing an oil change. Wow! But nah, for real though, it's 9:56 a.m. and I've been needing an oil change for like a good little minute now, so I need it bad. So yeah, we gonna go get the stuff, and yeah, we gonna roll with it. It's my first time doing it, so if you watching and you a little bit more experienced than I am, and you see I could have did something better, or I should have did this rather than that, or just any constructive criticism, let me know in the comments. And yeah. So we made it here. Yeah, like I said, oil change. It's my baby, my big baby. Need a car wash. But yeah, oil change. So yeah. These like the filters right here. These things are expensive, bro. What the fuck? My question is, what's the difference between these, that price, and like these? Because of course I don't want to get something that's not gonna work good, but I don't want to get something, I don't want to be paying an expensive price for nothing. What y'all think? They got filters. I low-key might not get a filter. I don't think that's in the budget today. I don't think a filter is in the budget today. Unless that shit costs $2. Seriously. Oh, okay, hold on. Oh yeah. Okay, I might get one. I was looking online and the filter said it was like damn $10, $7. I said, oh, we gonna have to DIY a filter too, cause nah. But yeah, okay. Now, like I said, I got I have a Toyota Tacoma. So I think I need 5W30 oil. 5W30, it's like 5 quart. High mileage. There we go. That's probably what I'm gonna get. Probably definitely get that one. And they on sale. Thank God. I was looking at AutoZone. These was over $40. So I'm gonna definitely get them from here. I'm gonna hit y'all back up when I figure out what I'm gonna get. Yeah.
Or water pump sides up here. What size engine mounts again?
The It's a 4-cylinder V6. Small funnel, wide mouth funnel. Does it matter? Don't know.
One 0010.
Shoot.
How you doing?
Good, good. How about yourself?
Pretty good.
We grind 48. It's really close.
Alright, so we got the funnel and we got the drain pan. So now I just need, we got funnel, drain pan, now I need oil,
What's this thing I'm gonna have?
and I need filter. Hopefully that's all I need. Funnel, drain pan, oil, filter.
It's definitely
Yeah.
not the same size. It's definitely a little taller. What's this thing?
Yeah. We got this book. Jeez. Toyota, Tacoma. Damn, this thing is dirty. Alright, I got the stuff though. Man, that shit was expensive. It was $64.98 for that. It's okay, bro. It's good to learn how to do it yourself, and yeah, it'll be worth it. This was $64.98, but I think the last time I got an oil change at the Toyota dealership, that shit was like $116. So I'm definitely saving some money. So it's a W. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when we finna do the oil change. Alright, finally ready. But first, I'm gonna change it to something a little bit more. Alright. Alright, I'm ready. Almost forgot one thing. Alright, now I'm ready for first thing we gonna do is pop this trunk, which is right here, right under the steering wheel. Not the trunk, I'm sorry. Pop the hood. Boom. Damn, that was kind of hard. But we're gonna pop this hood real quick. And you're gonna look for the, zoom y'all up. Pop the hood, look for the latch. It's a latch under here that you're gonna press. Alright. Now, be aware. I don't know what more than half this stuff is called, so just pay attention. Pay attention and watch. But you're gonna grab this stick. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. You're gonna grab this metal stick with the hook at the end, and you're gonna, the stick in the hole. The stick in the hole. Now that you got the stick in the hole, we gonna damn, this shit dirty. You gonna get the leads off your vents. It's like, no, that's not a real step. But you should do that though. I feel like it just makes sense. You ain't just finna open the shit. Alright. Damn, I ain't got no coolant, bro. What the fuck? I'm tweaked out. I got a little bit. I got a little bit. It's not a lot, but it's I got a little bit. But that's not what we're working on today. It's my coolant. This is what you need to locate. This is your oil filter. We gotta get your stuff ready. I'm gonna just bring the whole bucket up. And I believe I need this. I think I'm gonna try to get under here without lifting my shit. I got a jack, but I dead ass don't feel like doing all that. So let's see if we could get under here without the jack. Should I go in belly first or back first? And then turn around. We'll see. Alright, I've located the oil pan. What you're gonna do is unscrew this bolt. Make sure this is under it though. I got a universal socket, so I only need one, I think. That's how it look though. But you're gonna need one of these though. It don't have to be universal, but you're gonna need a socket to fit the drain, the oil pan, the plug. All right, I got it loose enough to the point where I could hand screw it off now, so. Now, brace yourself. I told you I ain't had no oil changes with it, so I don't know how much oil you finna come out of here, but I'm not expecting a lot. Boom. Ooh. Put your boat somewhere where you can find it. And we gonna let this drain out. And you really should be wearing gloves, bro. I forgot to get gloves. I feel like I knew I was forgetting something when I was at O'Reilly's, but I didn't remember until I'm at this point, so. But you should be wearing gloves. All right, now that it's all done draining, you gonna grab your boat, hand screw it back in there. And then I'm gonna tighten it just a little bit with it. All right, not too tight, but tight enough. And now we're gonna go back up top and we're gonna replace the filter and add the oil. All right, so now that we got the oil drained out the oil pan, now we need to change, well, drain the oil out of this filter and change the filter. Cool thing about, I don't know if this is other cars or just this truck or whatever, but cool thing about it is it has like this funnel type thing, and you could put like a water bottle or something down here to catch the oil when you drain it. Hopefully it's not too big. Roll my sleeves up for this. Yeah, hold on now. Y'all know nothing about that. Shout out, big bro. All right, further. Update, bro. I can't get the oil filter off. I feel like I've been trying to get this thing off for at least an hour. My phone died. I'm struggling. So, yeah, I'll come back with another update when I get this shit off. Alright, update. I'm still out here, bro. It's like, what time is it? I don't even know what time it is. It's like 5, 6 o'clock. Mind y'all, we started at 9 something. But update, I can't, there's no way I'm gonna be able to get to an auto store to get the oil wrench, whatever the shit, the filter wrench. I ain't gonna be able to get it, so I'm just trying to break this shit off right now. I am pretty frustrated, but it's okay. This is a learning experience. I didn't think I would need the wrench, so I didn't get it. I should have just got it. All right, update again. You're not gonna believe it. I got it, bro. I had my shorty. I ain't think she was gonna be able to bring it, but she was able to come through. So now I'm gonna use this to get this shit off. The shit that's had me sitting in this fucking parking lot for hours and hours. All right. So next step, let's get back. Next step, you're gonna take the oil filter off. I recommend getting a filter wrench just in case, so you won't be like me. And you're gonna wrap that bitch around and turn it counterclockwise. All right, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna just show you the part I got. All right, even with the wrench, this thing, it was still hard as fuck. That's how I know they screwed that. That's how I know they screwed on too hard, too tight. I mean, but now it's loose enough for me to turn it with my hand. Okay. As you can see, it is now nighttime. Yeah, finally got the shit off. No need for this. This was just to catch the oil, but nothing came out. All right, now that I got the old oil filter off, we're gonna put the new oil filter on. But before you do that, you wanna lubricate the outer ring of it with some old oil. I'm gonna put this here. No. Okay. I'm gonna just.
Now we're gonna screw this up here. Hand tight, people.
Not so tight that you gonna need the Hulk to take it off. Hand tight. Boom. Boom. Yeah. All right. Now, almost the last step. I'm gonna tell you what the last step is when I get to the last step. You heard? Because people always say the last step is to just put the filter in, just put the oil inside the car, then you're done. But I haven't seen nobody reset the light on their dashboard. Or, yeah, I haven't seen nobody do that or say to do it. And I feel like that's important, right? But yeah, we're gonna grab our 2 things of oil. I got 1 5-quart. One 1-quart. And then my filter, baby. Now what you gonna do is, see that? You gonna open this up. This where your oil go. You gonna put your filter in there. Let me pop y'all up real bit. Bro. All right, guys. I just broke my tripod, so that's nice. But still got the stick part to hold it, so we're gonna work with what we got. This day has been horrible. But you got the filter in there, and you got your oil. You gonna open your oil. I'm gonna put you down for a second. Got your oil open.
And now you're just gonna pour.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna just, you know how to pour shit inside of the thing. You gonna put the funnel in there and pour the oil in there. I'll see you after. Alright. Done pouring the oil. I had to. Look on your instructions manual though to see how much you need. I didn't pour the full one of the 1 quart bottle. I just poured a little more than half. You gonna screw your cap back on. And check the levels of your oil. Alright, so you want to wipe it off first. Wipe it clean. And then put it back in. And it should be a little bit below this second bubble. Yeah, we good. Oh wait, let me put it back in there. I'm tweaking. I'm getting too excited. I'm happy that I'm finally done. I ain't ate all day. Alright, I done checked my levels. They good. After you done doing that, you want to run your engine for at least 30 seconds to let the oil filter through. And then you good after that. Of course, you want to make sure you clean your mess up. I got some mess to clean up. Make sure you dispose of your oil properly. But yeah, I'm gonna start cleaning this stuff up. Well, I still got some here, so I'm gonna keep it. Cardboard only. But yeah, y'all, it's I ain't even gonna say it's pretty dark. So I'm gonna close this video out when I get home. What's up, y'all? Back in the car now. As you seen in the last clip, I'm done with the oil change, and almost forgot to show y'all how to turn the maintenance light off. Cause yeah, so I'm gonna show you how to do that real quick. So what you want to do is, let me get close. You see this button? This button right here. You gonna turn the car on, but not like, don't start your engine, just turn it on. And you see this, the odometer. You gonna go to trip. You gonna press the button until you get to trip A, and then you gonna turn the car off. Then you gonna turn it back on. Oh, that's the windshield wipers. And you gonna hold it down. And so all of these lights reset. Oh, I did it wrong. I'm weak. Hold on, bro. So what you want to do is, you see this button right here? You're gonna turn the car on. Don't start your engine though, just turn it on. And you're gonna go to trip A, which it was already on. When you start it, it'll probably be on odometer. But you wanna go to trip A, and then you're gonna turn it off. And then you're gonna go back. Hold on. To trip A. Sorry, I'm trying to prop this up so I can show you. I might just have to like low-key kind of explain it. But after you turned it off, now you're gonna go to trip A again while it's still off. And you're gonna hold it down and turn the car back on. So I know you couldn't see it. I'm sorry. I don't even know. I didn't know how to prop it up. But like I said, after you turn the car off, hit trip A, hold it down. Hold this down and turn the car on back at. Hold this down and then turn the car on at the same time. And hold it down until you're going to see some lines pop up right here. And you're going to hold that down until it stops. And then you can start your car. And your lights are going. And that's how you reset your dash. Yeah, so I want to thank y'all for sticking around for this very hectic video. It was real fun. I can't wait to do more. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, like, leave some suggestions in the comments of what y'all want to see. Any suggestions on any suggestions about my truck or where I should camp first, or you know, things like that. Constructive criticism in the comments, what I should have did better, what I should have did differently. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video.